y'all, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. I am going to be doing a recipe that I haven't done. This is my second recipe 3.5 years ago. I'm doing my deviled eggs. Now, we've got our deviled egg container, but Tony insisted I tell you all about this. This is the best thing ever made. This is the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Cooker. And we can cook how many?
14.
14 eggs at a time, and it takes about 12 minutes, and they come out perfect. So I've got all my eggs. I sliced them, took the yellow out. Over here I do, some people use pickle relish. I use chow. It's a southern pickle relish, very famous, very popular down here. But I've ground up my egg yolk with my little egg man. So now I'm going to do a little bit of salt. Salt it. Pepper it. I want to add some celery seed. That's all Tony's choice. And some dill weed. And I'm going to use dehydrated minced onion. I don't want to put onion in it, but I like the flavor that this gives it. And everything is to taste or to your consistency. And I have drained this because you don't want to add any more liquid to this than you have to. There's a couple tablespoons is all. Oh, whenever you use this, after they're done, you just put them in ice water, and then they come out perfectly. We love it. I have never used it. Tony bought it from me, but he's the only one that uses it. Now add your mayonnaise. Like I said, this is just your consistency. I'll taste it, make sure I got all my seasonings right.
Just to your consistency, not just to your taste?
No, to how much mayonnaise you put in. And to your taste for everything else, but for how much mayonnaise you want to put in. Now, you definitely need some more. We're having a Christmas get-together tomorrow at my sister's, middle state, in Orangeburg, and it was supposed to just be a finger food and cookie exchange. Well, I don't like baking, so I started adding stuff, and I'm doing all kinds of sandwich spreads, and I'm shooting 6 videos out of this, so I'm doing crab salad, ham salad, tuna salad, chicken salad, deviled eggs, little smokies and meatballs, and heck, I don't know what else I'm doing. Alright, I got all kinds of spoons over here, because I knew I'd be tasting stuff. That's perfect. Alright, now take just a tablespoon. And I'll start filling my little eggs up. Hope I have enough. If not, I've got plenty more eggs to do. I've already done 20, how many did you say that was? 16?
14.
14, I've done 28 eggs so far. Because I need some for the tuna salad and ham salad. My niece is making egg salad, so I'm not making the egg salad. Alright, I'm going to finish filling these and then I'll bring you back to show you what we do afterwards. After we get them filled. Alright, I've got all these done. Now what we are in the South do, I don't know about where you're from, is we put some paprika on it. And Lord knows I usually make a mess out of this. But this is a smaller. Ain't nothing got paprika. Alright guys, I want to thank y'all for joining me. This one was just a little quickie. I've got plenty more to do. Stay out of them until tomorrow. I'm beat that man. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share this out on your social media. Tony's back there dancing. I'm about to throw something at him. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, deviled eggs are ready. See y'all later. Bye.